So remember that time that I said I like to use my benchtop bandsaw for small stuff and my bigger bandsaw for bigger stuff? Once I got back, what I thought was going to be an easy transfer into the shop turned out to be a little more tricky. The saw wouldn't fit through the door while it was still in the shipping crate. So I cut the top off the crate. Still no dice, so I called my buddy Harris to see if he could give me a hand. While Harris was on his way, there was still a threat of rain, and to get the saw off the crate, I needed to remove the plastic to get to the shipping bolts. So I threw together the universal mobile base as fast as I could. Enter Harris. He and I were able to wrestle the 357-pound monster onto the base, and I thanked Harris immensely and sent him on his way. In the hurry of everything, I didn't pay attention to the orientation of the wheels. The base should have been rotated 90 degrees, and without my strong friend, I had to get clever. I used a ratchet strap over a glulam beam in my basement to hoist up the saw as much as I could, then threw some 2x4 blocks under the saw as spacers. What a bonehead mistake. With that issue fixed, I degreased the table with mineral spirits, then applied some Bow Shield T9 to prevent rust. Well, it's supposed to, anyway. The bandsaw came with the blade already installed, which I needed to take off to install the table, but first I needed to add the bolt that acts as a stop for the table. Then just bolted the table right on.